Title: The Rise and Fall. A Journey from Riches to Rags. Plot summary: a young billionaire named Zion, who inherited his wealth from his father's thriving tech company, lives a life of luxury and extravagance. Despite his immense riches, Zion lacks humility and takes everything for granted. He ignores his family, mistreats his employees, and overlooks the warnings of his close friends about the fragility of wealth. One day, a catastrophic financial crisis hits, and Zion's company faces massive losses due to his reckless decisions and overconfidence. His once loyal investors pull out, and his closest allies abandon him. Within months, Zion loses everything: his mansion, cars, and reputation. He is left homeless and alone. Forced to live on the streets, Zion encounters a group of kind-hearted poor people who teach him the value of hard work, humility, and compassion. He begins working odd jobs, helping others in need, and rebuilding his life from scratch. Slowly, Zion gains wisdom and earns the respect of those around him. Years later, with his newfound humility, Zion starts a small social enterprise to empower the underprivileged. Though he never regains his previous wealth, he finds true happiness and fulfillment in helping others. The story ends with Zion reflecting on his journey, realizing that losing his riches was the best thing that ever happened to him. Key themes: the dangers of arrogance and greed, the importance of humility and gratitude, finding happiness through helping others, rebuilding life through resilience and hard work.